touching his nose.
Apparently not. He's really hungry.
And either horses are always hungry.
Flat. Very flat.
Oh. You think he'll eat your belt?
He's trying to eat my belt. Here, buddy.
Oh, it won't be too much.
Oh, it's on fire.
Touch the thing.
Oh, fire.
Call back.
What?
Oh man, does it? We have to stop for a drink. Come on, come on. Oh, Abby, go. Abby, I think you're off path. We're going to go down the steep one. So.
Oh, great. They're going to want to eat everything here. I can see her.
Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whatever. Come on, horseback ready? Horseback
Not as
ready?
good as the last one.
Horseback ready?
Good.
What's up? Oh man! Horseback ready?
Hey, my horse hates me. Hurt down there. Is that better?
Horseback ready. It's cold in the bottom.
Oh, goodbye.
Is it washing you away?
A little person in river.
Swim. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Not cold.
I have a very serious question for you.
Crocodile pee.
Crocodile pee.
That's why it's so cold.
Why is there a baseball? What? Okay, serious question. Why is there a baseball glove on your head?
Because it makes it so I could use both hands to swim without getting the glove wet.
Isn't the glove already wet?
No, not as much as it could be. Where's the ball at?
It's right there.
He ain't even talk, he's got a list. He bid 172 for me.
What is it?
I'll give you 182.
Give you 190. I get 200.
252.
Okay, check it out.
Where'd you find them? On the bank?
Yeah,
So if they jump in the water, they drown?
probably. That's why we're gonna take them over there.
Oh, nice! Look at that nervous!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Touch it. Oh my god. It's tushies right here. We're gonna dip the crap out of that. Wait. I want to do something that I've never gotten to do yet.
Alright!
You want to hold him?
Let me hold him.
Kiss it. Kiss your fish, boy.
Kiss the fish! Yeah, kiss it on the mouth!
Kiss
Kiss
it.
it!
Kiss it. Kiss it. Don't do that. That's a second.
top this.
You get a couple more.
I'm on top of it.
That was weird. I just